Te kumlai shiboni pi baro ki baro lo ki baro jor senar man sungap kubor like kam hang ka channel te dong ni page ni ya kani ka advertisement na do bastang ado ka makot kanang mapin su thu kum no ban ne ya ki baron kam te menta ka ban sara eye care center ka khot application nan yakni ki post pala ba pila ban submit ro ling ba ka biodata lani resume for the eligible candidate for the post of patient counselor. The last date for submission of the application kan long haka apply tarik by March adoption. The post name kalong kumni ka post name the patient counselor kan number of post kan tang away kan location kadai syagaru ka salary kan dai kat salajar du prajar per month sibanai depending upon experience ka essential qualification kan bandap ka MSW PSW in social work or MA MSc in counseling in psychology experience kamduna ya ka arsnam kibalat re hapoka hospital niki healthcare setting or patient counseling rule experience in eye care or hospital setting will be added. The advantage ki ka language de banang language fluency de banang ya lightly ki language kata khasi English Hindi Garo Madjantia prefer te kumno ban apply ya kane ka post jong patient counselor te bila ki interested eligible candidate may be submit their application in biodata lapan submit ka biodata resume via email to bansara care kani ka email ka bangala roid dak jangam te bila ban submit to te ki badon syak ta mon